I sold over 3,000 items in my digital Etsy shop. Let's talk about it. Hi there, my name is Celine Noel, and it's my passion to help you become the best version of yourself inside and out. Today, I wanted to talk about how I sold over 3,000 items in my digital Etsy shop in the past few years. There are 3 things I did that I think that really helped me get to this point on Etsy. And so today, I wanted to share those things with you guys. If you're an experienced digital seller on Etsy, or you're just looking to find another source of passive income, this is a great video for you guys to watch. So with that being said, let's jump right in. There are 3 things I did to grow my digital Etsy shop that I think are absolutely crucial to the growth of my shop overall. The first thing I did is I got a subscription with a platform called Corjl. Now, Corjl is a software company that specializes in personalized digital items. They're an incredible business model because they allow you to make completely passive income by selling digital items on Etsy. Instead of you having to go through and edit every single design that you sell, they let the customers do the personalization for you. Out of all the digital automated platforms out there, I highly recommend Corjl because they're extremely friendly and have amazing customer service. Their prices are great, and their functionalities on their website are just amazing. The second thing I did to sell over 3,000 digital items on Etsy was that I really focused on creating a wide range of keywords and listings in my shop. This is really crucial, especially for marketplaces like Etsy, because they rely on all the information that you put into a single listing to drive traffic to your shop. What this means is that the more keywords you can get to drive traffic to your shop, the more chances you have of having someone come find your shop. At the end of the day, business is all about marketing. It's all about getting eyes on your listings. And so by creating a wide range of keywords in your digital listings, you can increase the odds of someone finding access to your shop. And eventually buying your listings, of course. There are so many keywords out there nowadays. Back to school, Christmas elf on the shelf invitations, or birthday party invitations, holiday parties. There are literally so many things that you can sell on Etsy. And that brings me to my third piece of advice that is absolutely critical and that not a lot of people know about. If you want to grow and sell digital items on Etsy, or any item at all, you absolutely must find seasonal keywords. Seasonal keywords are key, no pun intended, on Etsy. Etsy loves seasonal items. There are all these different holidays and things going on, and for a lot of times, people will go to Etsy to buy a very seasonal sort of gift. During the spring, there are some holidays like Mother's Day, weddings, baby showers, all of those things. So if you can create items that are tailored specifically to one season or one time of the year, you'll get incredible boosts in your shop. For example, let's say you created an Easter birthday party invitation on Etsy. That listing might not do so well throughout the rest of the year, but every Easter, it's gonna get a boost in ranking just because of that one single keyword. And Etsy really loves to boost keywords that are for seasonal items. So if you can find some really good seasonal keywords for items, you're going to be doing just fine on Etsy. In review, the top 3 things that I did to sell over 3,000 digital items on Etsy are: first, sign up with Corjl or some other automation platform that allows you to make completely passive income. Number 2, create as many good keywords in your shop as you possibly can. And 3, hone in on those seasonal keywords so that you can get boosts in your ranking throughout the year. And with that being said, I think that's it for today's video. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments with Etsy. I'm an experienced seller and I have a few shops that I run throughout the year. I'm so passionate about helping you grow your small business and your Etsy shop so that you can make the most out of your life and achieve financial freedom and all of those wonderful things that come with being an entrepreneur. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!